Hello, good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, for having us for the today's podcast. Uh, for today's podcast, our topic is about social media, how social media is impacting your life, and what are the merits and demerits of the social media. And for the background, he is also a social media marketer. He have his its own agency. That's why we chose this topic about social media. So let's start, and now we have Karthik. So Karthik, please tell everyone how social media is impacting our life.
social media social media is so useful for can be useful for you, but some disadvantage some disadvantage for you. And we are telling you how social medias can be useful and disadvantage for you. uh, if you are using social medias in free time and scrolling videos and reels and no purpose of what you are watching on social media, then it is bad habits. It is a bad habits because you are wasting your time on social media. So if you are free on time, you can see you can watch your favorite influencers and content creators that they are provide you.
But I have to say here that we have to choose very carefully whom we are watching. So if we are watching anyone, then it will create a very bad impact to us or to our future also, because then we have to choose whom we are watching. We have to choose, if we are into science, then we have to watch only people who are into science. So we have to choose very specifically, because if you go into another direction, then it will create a very bad impact to your life. Sir, please continue.
Yes, social media social media can be bad impactful and bad impact in your life. If you are if you are parents and your child is using social media apps, social media sometime you are scrolling reels and suddenly vulgar and adult videos in front of you. So try to avoid it, and you can restrict it on this type of content. You can blog their profiles. Yes. So if people are watching vulgar and adult videos, how they are avoiding this?
So first of all, as a social media consumer, we are a consumer actually. Other person you are watching, he is a content creator. So as a consumer, we have to decide that what we are watching. If we are watching something, something against our society, something against our morals, so we have to at that time we have to report that post. We have to send it to someone who can remove that post. So we have, if someone is doing wrong, then we have to take steps towards them, against them, and we have to report where it is needed. So I think there must be a authority in for all the social media platforms. So what happened with that is, everyone who will create any content and post it on the social media, that authority must filter that content, so that everything will be the things which are available to you are not just anything. It should be filtered. It should be filtered by any authority. Like if we see movies are being controlled by a authority. So like that, we need an authority for social media, so that the content will be filtered, the content will be regularized. So
Yes.
that's what I want.
Saurav is saying right. If someone send you videos and wrong news on your profile, so if you is your humanity, don't share with someone wrong news and wrong videos with your friends and family without researching on that video. uh,
Exactly. People also believe on the wrong things also, because social media is a very big platform for communication also. If someone has a millions and hundreds millions of followers, if he posts, if he sometimes the person who is posting may not know about the real facts of the story, but he posted just for the sake of fun, just for the sake of going viral.
Right.
So that's why he posted, but he do not know about the facts of the story which he is posting. So first we have to clarify, first we have to verify the facts of the story we are watching. We just don't to believe every news which we are watching. In fact, this is we are talking about the social media, but if you see in the news channels also, they are also sometimes regulate the fake news. So what about the social media? They also have the regulator authority. They cannot handle by themselves. Social news channels cannot handle every time. They sometimes it happened with them that unwillingly they will send something which is not true. So, but we are talking about social media. It do not have any regulatory authority. So, if we want to post something, I just need to click a button. Then it will be sent it to the hundreds and millions of people.
Apart from disadvantage of social media, you can take benefits. You can take benefits from social media. You make sources. You make source of earning from social media. Like if you have hobbies in any niche, you can create a business profile on social media, and you share a content on your expertise with others. People can feedback and reviews from your content. So you can viral on social media. It is, if you once viral on social media, most of brands collab with you, and your face value is increasing on social media, increasing in social media, and you become a influencer in India and other countries in your niche.
Yes, Karthik has said very great thing, that like I said earlier also, we are only consumers of content. We have to focus on creating content more, so that we can create something new. If you have interest in anything, you can create videos on that. If you open up this YouTube, you can search anything and you will get videos on any topic. So if you have any good quality in you, or if you want to deliver something to the society or to any platform, you can go and just post about it. Just a hesitation of one or two videos. After one or two videos, you will become habitual and you will easily create videos and start posting. Plus it will give you benefit to the other person, to the consumer also, but it also give benefit to you. It will create a source of income to you, but you have to be again I am saying, you have to be very specific what type of content you are creating. You have to be very clear about your topic.
Yes. If you are elder in your family, and child is using social media, you keep away child from social media. And if you want to keep an eye your child, you can log on social media apps in your phone, and keep away from your child. We are knowing that our prime minister is recently organized content creator award, or in content creating award, and lots of creator go there and take awards uh, from their valuable content.
Yes, it is a very good thing.
Yes.
Means our leaders are also supporting our social media content creators. So there must be a reason. It's not only always votes, but there must be other reason. our Prime Minister is encouraging our social media content. So, as we have Karthik here, Karthik is earning from the social media. He is a very good example before you all that. Now, Karthik will tell you how he is earning and how you can also earn from the social media. So, Karthik, please tell everyone.
Social you can social media use for earning you because I am talking about me. I am a digital marketer and social media marketing services provide for service business owners and working professionals. If you have a knowledge of any niche and industry, and if you are experts in any industry, you can share your knowledge on social media, and because social media give you advantage to your
Leverage their audience.
Yes, you easily share your content to broad audience. And
That means if you have any, like if you have any educational institute, he will promote your educational institute on social media and you will get the benefit of the people on social media.
Yes.
Instead of you are having hundreds of millions of followers, he can help you to show your content to hundreds and millions of followers. From that you can have new customers, you can have new clients, you have new business. So this is how Karthik is earning, and this is how you all people should use social media. You have to take benefit out of everything. So in this generation, if you learn how to take benefit from others, then you will only survive. If you just want to give, then you cannot survive. You have to take from something. If you are giving just your time to the social media, you are not getting out of it nothing. So you have to start taking something from the social media.
Because today time job and business is not a only source of earnings, because not the only source of earning. You can earn from social media and other online work, like you can earn, you can be blogs for earning, and you can create a value content for your audience, and also you can create a reels, short videos for your audience, and achieve a big followers and community engage with you, and
Do we need any certification to be digital marketing?
yes, if you do so digital marketing course in any institute, they will provide you digital marketing certification to
No, he is asking if he need to start his agency, do he need to have a degree or he just need experience? Am I right?
Yes.
No degree needed to start a digital marketing agency. Only if you have a knowledge of English and business ki how to run any business, and if you are only 12 pass and become and graduate, you are able to.
But it must be good if you have a degree,
Yes.
because as I say, if you are go to a degree, you will learn there how to run ads. You can easily learn that from the YouTube how to run ads, but you must need what ad will be work. If you start running any ad, then your money will go to the funnel like a water. So you need to know what ad will work for you. So to learn this thing, what ad will work, you have to learn it from a very good recognized college or a university.
Yeah, last question. How much can we earn through this business? Can we buy Nike shoes?
Nice
Nike shoes.
shoes. Nice shoes या Nike shoes.
Nike shoes. You know Nike shoes is very.
Nike shoes.
Okay.
Just do it.
Okay.
Nike shoes.
You can not only get Nike shoes, but you can have Nike shoes for all your family members.
Wow.
Yes.
If you are using digital marketing.
Okay, thank you.